Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shushmita and you all are watching me on Mrs. Out. So today in this video I'll be creating this beautiful look, and this is inspired from the cold makeup look which is very trending right now on Instagram, and I thought why not I create it. And this is my first look for 2023. So this year I have promised myself to be more consistent, and this look is like very beautiful. This has got very juicy lips and dewy base, and I absolutely loved it and enjoyed creating the look. This can be considered as no makeup look, and you can see guys I don't have any eye makeup and I have created these fake freckles as well. So yeah, without much further ado, let's get started. And before that, please subscribe to my channel. So the first product I'll use is Vaseline. This is normal Vaseline and I'll use it as lip balm and I'll apply it on my lips. Next, before getting started with my base makeup, I'll apply some skincare. So I'm using the Max moisturizing and hydrating toner. This hydrates and refreshes your skin. Now while my face is wet, I'll apply this Pond's cold cream. Now Pond's cold cream is an trial product for me. I was shooting a promotional video for Pond's cold cream and I found that this gives a very dewy base to my makeup base. Now for foundation, I'm mixing these two foundation. One is by Forever 52 and another one is by Wet n Wild, and then have mixed some liquid highlighter by MyGlamm. I'll mention the shade names in the screen and have applied it on my face, and using a wet sponge I'm blending it. Right now you can see that the base might look slightly white, like it's not exact match to my skin tone, but later on it will get settled down and it will look like my skin tone. So I have applied the base makeup and I've blended it properly, and then what I did is taking a concealer that is also by Forever 52. I have applied it just to conceal the spots on my face. Now this is a lighter color concealer, but this will not only brighten up. I haven't used much of the product. I have used very less quantity of the product and I have applied it on the high points of my face or on the areas where I want to conceal and brighten up. Now I'll jump to the most essential part of the look, that is the blush. Now for that I'm using a lipstick. This is a Crayon lipstick by Mars and I'm mixing Vaseline with it on a mixing palette and I've applied it on the cheeks. I really wanted this look to be very red kind of like how you look like when you are in the cold weather outside. Like if it's snowing outside, all your face gets red, your nose gets red, and that is how I wanted the look. So this is how it's looking right now. I have blended it using a wet sponge, and then I'm using this fixing spray by Makeup Forever so that my makeup lasts for a longer time and my base melts and looks very natural and dewy. Next I'll set the whole base using the Forever 52 banana powder, and I'm using it to fix all the areas. Like I'm not baking actually, I'm just setting everything in. Once done with the powder, I'm again spraying on the fixing spray so that it doesn't look cakey, it looks more juicy and natural. Next I'll just jump to my brows. Now for that I'm using this eyeshadow palette. This is by Jaclyn Hill and this is the Morphe eyeshadow palette. From there I'm using this particular brown shade. This actually matches my brows and I'm filling my brows using a angular brush. Now the brush I'm using is by Plume. I don't remember the number. I'll try to mention it in the screen, and I'm filling it, and once I'm done with the filling and I'm satisfied with the shape, I'll just use the spoolie at the back end of the brush to smudge the color. Now as I mentioned previously that I wanted this look to be more intense and all pink, so I'm applying more blush on my face, and the blush I'm using is by Forever 52, and once done I'm doing my eyeshadow, and for that I'm using this basic shade like which is very similar to my skin tone and applying it all over my eyeshadow. Nothing very fancy. Once done I'm putting a highlighting shade on the inner corner of my eyelids. Now as I've shown in the picture that the girl was having an eyeliner, but today I won't do any eyeliner. I'm just keeping it very basic and simple with the eye makeup, and I'm using the same highlighting shade as a highlighter on my face. Now you can see the look is turning out really pretty and very well. Now once done I'm using the same brush which I've used for the eyelids. I'm blending everything so that it looks more natural, and then again I'm spraying on some setting spray. Now this is a habit of mine, I use a lot of setting spray. Now for lashes I'm using this Sugar Mascara Duo where you get both mascara and fiber, and this is a very favorite mascara of mine because it instantly lifts up your lashes, and you can see in the video that how beautiful my lashes are looking even without any fake lashes. Now what you have to do is apply the mascara, then fiber, and then again you need to run the mascara wand on your lashes, and this will give your lashes like a life. Like this will just instantly bloom the lashes. Next, I'll just tightline my upper eyelids, and for that I'm using the Sugar Coal. I'll just mention the shade name on the screen, and I'm just putting it on the lower lashes, like not on the on the upper lashes and not on the lower lash line. Now for lipstick, I'm using the Nyx Powder Puff liquid lipstick. Yeah, and this is in the shade Moody. I've applied a very tiny amount and I'm blending it using my fingertips. Once done, I'm using this Sugar Matters Hell Lip Crayon in the shade Cherry Darling, and I'm just placed it just only at the center of my lips, as you can see, and blended it. And then I'm using this clear gloss by Sephora, and I'm applying it on my lips, and you can see how beautiful it turned out. This is giving a Korean lip kind of effect, and this is one of my favorite lip looks. I absolutely love it. Next, after two red lips, and yeah, this is my final look, and I have like used this pencil brush to apply some fake freckles using brown eyeshadow. And yeah guys, this was the last part of my look, and this is how it is looking right now. And again sprayed on some setting spray. And yeah guys, this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Hope it was helpful for you. If you recreate this look, do tag me on Instagram. I have shared the Instagram ID in the description as well on the screen. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Still then, stay happy, stay blessed, stay gorgeous. I'll see you in my next. Love you all. Bye bye.